Alright, this video is for Jared. I have your quad finished up. So you sent me this twig. I'm pretty sure I built this for you quite a while back, a long time ago. I can't believe you still have it. And I can't believe that the frame isn't all like chipped up and stuff. Pretty crazy that you've been flying it for so long. But anyways, your flight controller burned out. Well, it didn't burn out. It just stopped working for some reason. So we got you a new flight controller in there, and I ended up just rebuilding the whole thing anyways, just because, you know, it had been used quite a bit. So made it look pretty much like new again. Redid the VTX with the heat shrink and the wiring, resoldered everything. You got your new flight controller in here. This is the JHEMCU 20 amp all-in-one. Flashed it to Betaflight 4.2.2, and 4.2.3 is out, but I've been having a lot of problems with not being able to have the battery voltage work for some reason. I don't know why, but on 4.2.3 the battery voltage is just flashing 0, and if you go back 1, then it shows again. So obviously a problem with that somewhere. Hopefully they fix it. I'm sure there'll be another update coming out soon, but anyways, yeah, good to go. So you got your receiver, Crossfire Nano. It's right inside of here. The VTX is on the back of the camera. The lines for, because you know how when you got Crossfire with the VTX real close to each other, like they have to be on a tiny quad like this, you get those black lines in the video, and you still have the black lines in the video. I mean, you're gonna see the black lines. You just can't you can't get rid of them. But they were so bad that like when I would arm, the OSD would like start to disappear and flash, and like it was just horrible. So I ended up moving the ground for the VTX from it was on the ground that you would normally put next to the 5-volt on the side here, but I moved the ground for the VTX over to the battery ground, and it like made it 100 times better. So how it is now is pretty much as good as it's gonna get, but it's totally fine, totally flyable. So anyways, it's already bound up to my radio, so let's do a little hover. So these are the Flywoo 1103s, and they're the 10,500 kV. So 10,500 kV on a 3-inch prop, 2S. Yeah, that's what we got. I forgot what the kV was, and I threw a 3S on here and then realized it. So you can see those lines. Doesn't look the best, but that's what you got. Check it out. If I turn the radio off, let me move it to where it like really shows the lines. I'm not going to be able to hold it. Alright, right there. So you can see the lines. So I'm going to turn the radio off. Look at that. Nice and clear. Then I turn the radio on. And there you go. Alright. Your link quality is good to go. It's working. Got your battery voltage, your timer. Alright, let's do a hover. Here we go. Flying very nice. Pretty good power. I can hear it. I can hear in the props that, like, you know, either the props, one of the props is like bent or something, or just not right. So you might want to throw on a fresh set of props on there, and it should be good to go. I gave you a new battery strap as well. Gave you a new antenna for the Crossfire because you had the crappy mini Immortal T. I guess they have a V2 now. I haven't tried it yet, but this one just sucks. And yeah, that's about it. Good to go. So I'm going to get it boxed up and shipped out, and I'll send you over tracking when I have it.